Hi friends, today we are going to see Coulomb's law. So what does Coulomb's law tells us? Coulomb's law tells us the force which exists between any charges. So if we have point charge and they are stationary, then the force which exists between this charge is given by the law, and that law is known as Coulomb's law. The statement of Coulomb's law tells us that the force may be attractive or repulsion, and this force between the two charged bodies is going to be directly proportional to product of their charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. We also called as Coulomb's law as inverse square law. So let's see the formula for it. F is equals to k q1 q2 upon r square, where this q1 and q2 are the two charges. Now these two charges are separated by the distance, that is r. So r is the distance between them. Also, this force is act along the line joining the two charges. So if two charges are there and there is a separation, r is a separation, then the line, if we draw the line between these two charges, then along that line this force is going to be acting. Then again the k, you can see over here that k is constant and it is written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon, among which the epsilon is called the permittivity of free space, and its value is given as 8.85419 into 10 to the power minus 12. Now, what is the nature of the force? How you will identify the nature, whether it is attractive or repulsive? As you have already seen in the statement that the force of attraction or repulsion, it has been said. So the force is going to be attractive if the two charges of which we are going to find the force are of opposite sign. So we have taken two charges as q1 and q2. So imagine that q1 is positive charge and q2 is negative charge. That means the charges are opposite of nature. Then the force between them is going to be attractive. But if q1 and q2 are of same sign, that is if it is positive and q2 is also positive, then the force will be of repulsive nature. Also, I would like to mention over here that this Coulomb's law holds only for the stationary charges, that is static charges which are at rest and they are of point size. If the charges are not at rest, if they are moving, then the Coulomb's law does not hold over there. This law obeys the Newton's third rule, that is force F12 is equals to minus of force to 1. So if Q1 is applying the force F12 on Q2, then the Q2 also applies the same force on Q1, but it is of negative nature. So F12 is equals to minus of F21. I hope so you got the concept of Coulomb's law. Thank you.